So this is a Creamy Pops version of my big forehead keyboard, which you might remember from my 25 keyboard sounds video. So this first one has a mechanical clack sound and it's a bit of an acquired taste. But that's where the second one comes in. This one has lubed novelty creams in it, which are also on a polycarbonate plate. And this changes the sound a lot more. Now, I didn't just buy a second one for no reason. The creamy one I'm selling on my website, so keep an eye out if you want it. Anyways, this is what the first one sounds like compared to the other. Let me know which one's your favorite.